To promote your online course and earn commissions for every sale? In this video, I'll show you how to enable an affiliate program for your course in Systeme.io. Step 1. First, make sure your online course is already created. Go to Products/Sales, click Courses, and verify that your course is ready. Remember, affiliate commissions are not configured inside the course itself. They're configured on the product or checkout that sells the course. Step 2. Next, create a sales funnel. Click Funnels, then Create. Choose the Sell Funnel goal and create your funnel. Add an order form step if it isn't already included. This is where customers will purchase your course. Step 3. Now connect your course to the offer being sold. Open your order form settings. Select the course or offer that customers will receive after completing their purchase. This connects your checkout page to your online course. Step 4. While you're still in the order form settings, look for the Affiliate Commission or Affiliate Program section. Enable affiliate commissions for this product. Choose the commission percentage you'd like to pay, such as 30%, 40%, 50%. Then save your changes. Step 5. After saving, your course is ready to be promoted by affiliates. When an approved affiliate shares their referral link and someone purchases your course, Systeme.io automatically tracks the sale and records the commission. Before launching, make a test purchase to confirm everything is working correctly. Important note, if you don't see the affiliate commission option, don't worry. Make sure you're editing the order form or offer, not the course settings. Also, some account types or interface updates may display this option differently. And that's it. You've successfully enabled an affiliate program for your online course in Systeme.io. If you'd like to learn more about funnels, online courses, websites, and affiliate marketing, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.